Do it yourself, go kart. Do it yourself, go kart. Do it yourself, go kart. It's the one-stop shop for installing kart parts.
Phillips head screwdriver, T20 Torx bit, and a socket wrench. Hello and welcome back to DIY Golf Cart. In today's installation video, we'll be installing an access panel on the rear of this EZGO TXT golf cart. Now these fit 1995 and up TXT and Medalist carts. Our first step prior to installing the access panel will be to remove the front seat off your golf cart. So to do this, just pick it up and it just hinges right off like so. Set that to the side, and then you'll grab a T20 Torx bit and locate the screws that are already here in the access panel and remove them like so. Looks like this one's already been kind of removed. It's been broken, but we'll still remove the screws. And then we'll move right along to the back side of the cart. Finally, we'll need to remove the three that are holding the back side of the access panel onto the cart. Now this job would be a lot easier if we didn't have a rear seat kit, but on this particular cart we do have this rear seat kit on it, so it makes it a little bit more difficult. Alright, once we've got the 5 Torx bolts removed, the 2 up front here and the 3 in the rear, we'll just slide this axle cover, or access panel, directly off the cart like so. And then we'll locate the one that we provide and slide it right on there and make sure that the holes line up with the factory ones. And then, like all of our parts in every kit, we've got the bolt pack here for this access panel. Okay, once we got the access panel on, we'll find the original holes where the previous one was. We'll line them up with our new stainless steel hardware and screw them right down in place. We'll do the same with the other side over here. We'll move right along to the back side of the cart once we got this all tightened down. Alright, now we just need to install the screws, line up the holes in the back of the access panel. So we'll do this to all 3 holes, and that'll conclude the install. Okay, once we've got the new diamond plate access panel installed on the EZGO here, we're going to reinstall the seat. This concludes the install of the access panel.